Today is the second day in the Annecy, and today we will hike or do few activities. Let's go first get some coffee.
The Airbnb has given us some complimentary teas and coffee, so let's take the advantage of it to go budget friendly. Today I am going to take just simple black coffee. While it brews, let's enjoy some quiet time on the terrace and take some fresh air. Alright, the coffee is ready. For today, we have planned a hike, but before we start, let's walk towards the cafe to enjoy some classic French breakfast.
Okay, I have taken a galette with mushrooms and egg, and my husband has taken the cheese
The juice.
with the juice, and I have taken hot chocolate. I'm waiting for it to come.
And guess what? The cafe is called Galettes and Crepes.
Oh, somebody.
We just came out of the cafe and you can already see it is starting to rain. To get to our hike, we need to walk through these beautiful narrow streets again and gradually climb to the elevation you are seeing right here. Our first goal is to reach the Basilica of the Visitation, which you can spot from miles away. This basilica has an historic importance, and we did not miss the moment to admire its stunning architecture before heading to the starting point of the hike, which is just few meters behind it.
We're at the basilic, and just behind the basilic you have the paths that go to different trails. So we are at La Tamborne, which is 520 meters the altitude. We are thinking to take Super Panorama 30 minutes, and here they have given the map. So we are taking the very easy one because it is raining now, and if we could reach here, and we will see if we can continue or we come back again at this place from this direction. Let's go. Yeah, it was showing this direction from there, no? So I think no, only this direction. We hope then, yeah, it's foggy and misty, but the forest really looks very. I don't know how to express. It is really um, a serene feeling. Yeah, it's nice, and they have put some chair here. I think it is a viewpoint. Let me go there. Look at the roots, thick and strong. Ah, this is the viewpoint.
Standing here and feeling those little raindrops sprilling with such gentle breeze on my face is so refreshing. So far, the hike has been pleasant, and we actually feel that this could be a great trail for the beginners because the path is very well marked. So, there is little to no chance of getting lost.
To look for the board now.
Shankar, we will look for the boat. He is the guide.
We're entering the dense forest.
And fortunately, the rain has reduced now, and after checking the forecast, it shows that there will be sun in few hours. So we decided to take a longer route, which is about 12 kilometers with the elevation gain of around 600 meters, instead of going right to the viewpoint. So we are taking the longer route. As it is a fall season, you can spot different kind of mushrooms like the ones you are seeing here. Look at them, so colorful and vibrant. And just behind them you can spot few oyster mushrooms. But be cautious not to forage them or eat them, they can be extremely poisonous.
Okay, we have arrived at a good viewpoint. Let's go a bit down.
Here are few epic shots for you guys to enjoy from the viewpoint. With that, we come to the end of our hike. Sadly, the super panorama was closed. Now we are a bit cold and hungry, so let's go find something warm to eat. We are going to eat fondue today at Le Preti. Fondue is a classic alpine dish, a pot of melted cheese, usually mixed with a bit of alcohol, and you dip pieces of bread into it or some vegetables like potatoes. Since we are sitting outside, the flame is going off and the fondue is getting thicker. But the staff is helping us out to keep the right consistency so we could enjoy the fondue. This is our third and final day in Annecy, and of course we cannot miss the stop at French Boulangerie for some pain au chocolat and croissants along with a good coffee to go. We are now walking towards the lake, but guys, guess we came across farmers market. What a luck! It is huge with fresh produce straight from the local farmers. I like to shop at these kind of markets. We have come to eat sushi on the last day. It is just near the station. So we have ordered some salmon sticks and gyoza, and the main course will come in some time. That green one.
Oh, so many veggies they have. Huh? Acha. What are you eating?
Matcha mochi. Wow, it's like cloud, really cloud. Wow. So guys, we are going back from Annecy to Lyon and then to Brussels. So this is the train. We really enjoyed our time in Annecy, and I would highly recommend it to anybody thinking of visiting it. I'm not sure the name of the lake, but it's such a nice sight to end our trip. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel